Hey there! Did you know your brain is the most complex structure in the known universe? This 3-pound powerhouse controls everything, from your heartbeat and breathing, to your thoughts, emotions, and ability to do math, or forget why you walked into a room. But what does it actually look like inside your skull? Today we're going on an incredible journey inside your brain using MRI technology, and what we'll discover might just surprise you. An MRI or magnetic resonance imaging is like a superpowered camera for your insides. It doesn't use radiation like an X-ray or CT, instead it uses powerful magnets and radio waves to create clear, detailed images of your brain's soft tissues. The magnetic field it creates is about 60,000 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field, which is exactly why you can't wear jewelry or have any metal near the scanner. Yes, even that one forgotten bobby pin in your hair could become a missile. When you're inside the machine, it takes hundreds of thin slices of your brain in different planes. These 2D slices let doctors carefully examine your brain layer by layer, kind of like flipping through the pages of a very detailed instruction manual for your head. The scan doesn't hurt at all, but the loud knocking sounds? Totally normal. That's just the coils working hard to show your beautiful brain. And don't worry, they will make you wear earplugs or headphones, so you're all comfy during those 15 minutes of lying still. So, what do we see on an MRI of the brain? The outer layer, the one with all the wrinkles, is the cerebral cortex. Those wrinkles aren't just for show. The folds, called gyri for the bumps and sulci for the grooves, help pack more brain power into a small space. It's like crumpling up a huge piece of paper so it fits into your head. Your brain is divided into 4 main lobes, each with a specific role. The frontal lobe, right behind your forehead, controls planning, decision-making, problem-solving, and yes, even your personality. The parietal lobe helps you feel touch and understand space, like how you know where your limbs are without looking. The temporal lobe, near your ears, takes care of hearing, language, and memory. And the occipital lobe, all the way in the back, processes what you see. It's your brain's visual center. Just below all that is the cerebellum, or little brain, which coordinates your movements and balance. Without it, even walking in a straight line would be a challenge. Deeper still, we find the limbic system, the emotional core of your brain. The amygdala helps process fear and emotion. The hippocampus stores memories, and the thalamus? It acts like a relay center, sending sensory information to the right place. One of the coolest things an MRI shows is the difference between gray matter and white matter. Gray matter contains the cell bodies of neurons. This is where thinking, memory, and learning happen. It's basically the brain of the brain. White matter consists of long nerve fibers covered in a fatty layer called myelin, which helps electrical signals travel fast between different brain regions. Think of it like the high-speed internet cables of your nervous system. One especially important white matter structure is the corpus callosum. It's a thick C-shaped bundle of nerve fibers that connects the left and right hemispheres of your brain. Thanks to the corpus callosum, both sides of your brain can share information and work together. Without white matter, your brain would be like a city with no roads. The message from "I see a step" wouldn't make it to move your foot in time, and you would trip over your own shoelaces. Again. You will also see ventricles. These are hollow, fluid-filled spaces deep in the brain. They hold cerebrospinal fluid, which cushions your brain and keeps it floating safely in your skull. It also helps deliver nutrients and wash away waste. If the ventricles look too big or too small, it can sometimes be a clue that something is wrong, like swelling, pressure buildup, or brain shrinkage. But small variations can also be completely normal. When radiologists read a brain MRI, they're checking for anything unusual. That includes bright or dark spots, swelling or shrinkage, asymmetry between the two sides, disruptions in the white matter pathways, or changes in the ventricles. Sometimes they find signs of past strokes, minor injuries, or harmless changes from aging. And sometimes they find completely unexpected things that have no effect at all. Fun fact, these are called incidental findings, or as I like to call them, brain Easter eggs. MRI technology keeps getting better. There's something called functional MRI that actually shows brain activity by tracking blood flow. So if you're thinking about pizza, doctors could literally see your hunger circuits light up. Then there's diffusion tensor imaging, which maps your white matter tracts. The result looks like a colorful tangle of spaghetti, but each strand is a connection between different brain areas, like Google Maps for your thoughts. These tools are helping researchers study brain development, diagnose disease earlier, and even understand things like anxiety, memory loss, and learning patterns. So the next time you see a brain scan, or maybe even get one yourself, remember, that's not just an image. That's you. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and subscribe for more science explained simply. We are very close to 100 subscribers, so what are you waiting for? It is free. Stay curious, folks.